I just want to take a minute to give you an idea of what the grades will look like this quarter. You'll have every week 2 activities that are 50 points apiece. You'll also have 50 points of participation every single week. 3 of your 5 projects are due before spring break. The other 2 will be due after spring break. Again, I don't care what order you do them in, you just have to do 3 of the 5 before spring break. Then we've also got the stock market game, and that's worth 50 points a week. So if you log into eSchool, you'll be able to see that you have a 50-point assignment for participation. That's 10 points a day. Then you have 2 activities for that week, and each of these assignments is listed out by week. So if I scroll across here, you can see that most of the grades are already entered, or at least the assignments, so that you can see about how many points there are. This is one of the 2 activities for next week. And then if you keep scrolling, yours looks a little bit different than mine, but that's okay. Here are the 3 projects. Remember, you'll have to submit those through the Google Classroom, and you need to tell me which of the 5 you're doing. And then your midterm is 625 points. Don't stress that too much, though, because there will be a project component to it and a test component. And that'll be the last week before spring break. That makes up 20% of your grade. All right? Great.